Look, once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck.
Hey guys, this is the plain face. We're starting off with that Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. We're going to use this ColourPop 143 palette to create the shape that we want. And this shade right here is going to be the only one that we end up really using from here. So this is going to be great. Use a brush that you can be precise with when getting the shape that you want. You want something either flat and wide or pointed and narrow. By the way, if you ever want to recreate this look with any other colors or do different shapes, you totally can.
If I had a dick, you probably lick it like a lollipop. Hoes speaking Japanese, hit 'em with karate chop. Forever popping shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with 'em.
From cleaning up the edges, I did think it was a little fuzzy and that I had just a little bit of fallout on the lid where I didn't want it. So I'm doing this to create a refined look. I am using my eyeshadow primer for this and a concealer brush for ultimate precision, but use whatever works best for you.
Boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Back, listen up the belly band. Take a member, Balenciaga body thinking all these bitches fuck. It's big.
I'm using my NYX liquid white eyeliner that you can get from Ulta. For this part, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just apply the white eyeliner directly down the middle of your color. I know it looks kind of crazy here, but trust me, it's gonna get even crazier.
Fucking with me now and I can see why.
Right away, I realized this eyeliner is not applying the same way as it did on the other eye, and it's giving me problems, but I decided I'm already in this. Let me not stop now. This is where you really get that neon effect. I'm going to be using the shade Love of My Life, and I'm going to apply it twice, but right now you're just watching me do the first layer. This is my Makeup Forever Velvet Powder Foundation. I'm applying it in the negative space on my eyelid, and then I'm applying it on my brow bone. This is going to create for a more seamless transition whenever I apply my foundation. At this point, I'm trying to make the other eye look as good as the first one, and I'm going back with my eyeliner. What is this, honey? That's not something that's supposed to happen. If your liquid liner is brand new, I promise that you won't have to deal with any of this. I'm going in with my white liquid liner by ColourPop. Normally, I don't use it for this neon eyeliner method. I use it as a backup because this eye was not supposed to be looking all crunchy the way that it did. Also, in the spirit of showing you guys everything and every little nasty step along the way, I decided let me include this footage. If I didn't have to redo it, this probably would have already been done by now, so this is just what it looks like when you have to go back and fix it. And woohoo, I don't have crunchy white eyeliner anymore, so this is what it's supposed to look like. But now that we tamed that, I'm going to be going in to tackle the fallout. I just used my Fenty liquid foundation and the powder from before, and this is what it should look like when you're finished. My lashes are naturally straight, so I'm using a Tweezer Man eyelash curler here. This one's supposed to be for almond-shaped eyes. I think it's actually really helpful. And now I'm going in with my Urban Decay mascara. Today's lashes are Bay by ColourPop. They are faux mink, and I've worn this one a million jillion times, as you can tell by the box. These lashes have been pre-curled, by the way. La la la, lower lash time. It got a little heavy and it kind of smeared under my eye creases, so I'm going back in with some foundation. And here is the final look. I wish I could play B-roll footage of me in slow motion forever, but that's all that I have for today, you guys. Miss Avery Honeycutt inspired this look today, so please go check out her social media. I specifically learned this from her TikTok. Funny story, I actually recorded this video 3 months ago, right when I was done growing out my eyebrows, so if you notice that they look extra bushy and natural here, that's because I was waiting for them to get to like a good point to where I could pluck them, and while I was editing this video, I was like, dang, I should really let them get all wispy and crazy again. But you guys, this is the entire look for the neon eyeshadow. I know when I did it on TikTok, you guys blew it up requesting it. I'm so sorry I didn't get on it sooner. I was actually just feeling very insecure about this one where it started crumbing up and stuff. I was just like, I can't upload that. But guess what? Here it is today. We did upload that. Anyways, you guys, go follow my other accounts. I am Fleeksy on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I have a podcast called Fleekazoid, and I have my main YouTube channel. I also have a channel where I go live, so go ahead and check all of that stuff out. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.